Today, we'll tackle a common pain point, managing sketch and Workfeatures visibility. We'll show you how to use the Toggle Workfeatures tool to streamline your workflow and save valuable time. Imagine working on a complex design with numerous sketches and Workfeatures. Toggling their visibility individually can become tedious and time-consuming. As you see, manually toggling each element can be slow and cumbersome, especially for intricate designs. This repetitive process can break your focus and hinder your design flow. Here's the solution: the Toggle Workfeatures tool, located under DesignX. Untoggle All will hide all currently visible sketches and Workfeatures. Toggle All will reveal all previously hidden sketches and Workfeatures. The Toggle Workfeatures tool is a valuable addition in DesignX's toolkit. Give it a try and experience a smoother, more efficient design workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.